Hi, in this video I will show how to read chest X-ray. The X-ray which is shown to you is the X-ray of the thorax or chest, anterior posterior view, and the person is in supine position. So the important parts or organs which are visible in anterior posterior X-ray of the chest or the thorax, I'll explain. Let's take a color. This translucent thing which is visible in this epi chest X-ray is called as the trachea, or commonly called as windpipe. These are called as collar bones or clavicle, which are present on both the sides of the trachea. These fields, which is black in color in X-ray, these are called as lungs. This is right lung, this is left lung. Right lung, there are 3 lobes, left lung 2 lobes. And this thing is our heart. Sitting above to the diaphragm. This is the diaphragm. So above to diaphragm, heart is present. The trachea divides into 2 parts. This is called the primary bronchus, right primary bronchus, and this is the left primary bronchus. And in between this is called as carina. These are the ribs which are visible. Let's take a color. These are ribs. Diaphragm I have already mentioned. Here we find the gastric bubble, and this bubble is clearly visible in posterior anterior view rather than this anterior posterior view. So gastric bubble is present here. This is the largest organ of our body, which is our liver. Okay. So the angle here which is formed, this is called as the costophrenic angle. Costophrenic angle. Over to heart. Over to heart. This is the heart. This is the right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. This is the costophrenic angle. And here, this is called as the right hilum and pulmonary artery. This is called as the aortic knob, and the bones ones which are visible here, these are the spinous process of the vertebra. So the overview features: trachea diameter. The male tracheal diameter is 15 to 25 millimeter. In female, tracheal diameter is 10 to 21 millimeter. Right lungs, there are 3 lobes. Left lungs, 2 lobes. Heart, it has 4 chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. This is right atrium. This is right ventricle. This is left atrium. And this is left ventricle. And this complete thorax comprises of trachea, heart, lungs, and important blood vessels.